In one of my last videos, someone asked if I could make a video on how you find your purpose in life. And that's an amazing question. And I feel like in today's world, not many people find their true purpose. They never find their zone of genius and they never really get the success that they desire. So finding your purpose is something that's extremely important. If you're going to do your best work and live the highest quality possible life, how do you think you're going to do that if you're not living in alignment with your true purpose? Now, it's not something that necessarily you know starting out. It's something you have to discover through action, through contemplation, through understanding your unique strengths. So think back to when you were a kid or early on. What fascinated you? What were you better at that others couldn't really get naturally? What were your innate strengths? In there, within that, somewhere lies your purpose. Now, for me, I've had to work on different business models, different things in life, work with a ton of different clients to really find my purpose. And I realized I'm really passionate about business. I'm passionate about holistic health. I'm passionate about teaching. Now, in life, you'll see people that are successful. And the biggest mistake I see people make is that they try and copy and imitate others too closely. When you're a unique individual, you have your own unique strengths. So if you go and play someone else's game, you're not going to really discover your purpose or find what really interests you in life. So that's a critical part of really becoming a winner in all aspects. Now, we live in a world to where you have to obviously make money to live. So, even if you have to work a job you don't like or start a business that's just for pure cash flow, that's okay. But you have to do some self-reflection and contemplation to understand who you are, to understand what your strengths are, what you're better at than others, and lean into that more so. And through that, you're going to find your purpose. It's something that you don't really know starting out, but it's something that you discover. And some people, maybe they know their purpose, right? They had a vision or something and know their purpose is to do X, Y, and Z. But for me, and maybe you as well, it's something you're going to have to constantly work at to develop and refine and understand who you are, what your innate strengths are. Now, I recommend taking some personality tests to really understand who you are, what your proclivities are in life, and through that, you're going to really stumble across your purpose. Now, if you want me to make more videos on this, I have some friends coming in right now, so I have to cut this off early. Let me know any questions or any comments that you have had in really discovering and understanding your own unique purpose.